sure if you can hear or not, but we are under a wind advisory right now. But I'm still going to try to catch some crappie. In the same spot that I was, going to be using that right there. Look at that wiggle. Blah, 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 blah. Going to be using that. Also going to be using a Roadrunner style. That is, if I can even cast my lure. I mean, it's very, very windy out here. Welcome to Fishing with Fro, and hopefully I can catch a few slabs. So we'll see how everything goes. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate you. Nice. Alright, first one. Alright, there's still a couple fish around here. Alright, I got 4-pound test on today, so gotta be a little bit more careful with these fish. Look at that. That's a nice fish. Look at that. Still a few fish around. I didn't catch them all. Alright, first one. What's it gonna be? Alright, that's gonna be a keeper too, so I mean, hey. In a wind advisor. See that one, guys? 11 3/4, almost a 12-incher right there. Oh yeah, starting it off right. Broke the lure off, and I was like, kept on getting snagged, and then I switched it up and started using the ultralight. Oh yeah, y'all see that? Another one. Oh my gosh, that's a good one too. Wow. All right, to my braid. Yeah. Wow, slabs. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's a good one too. Wow, that's a 12.5-incher right there. Wow, 12.5. Right at the slab mark. All right. All right, there's another one. That one was out just a little bit deeper. That was out in front of these weeds right there. Ooh, pretty one. Ooh, another good one. Wow, that one's a little colored up. Gonna have a tree fall on me or something? All three on the same spot, and all three over 11 inches. Wow. this one right here. So hook fell right on out. That's what the setup I'm using looks like. Something like that right there. I'm gonna check this out, number 4. Dang, they are all over 11 inches today. Just show y'all a good, nice, not a keeper, but I wanted to show y'all a good bobber take. 9 6/8, 9 3/4, something like that. I'm gonna let him go. Yep. On the swim bait, little one, throwbacker, but still catching fish. I think that's number 6 for the day, something like that. There's another one, a little one, number 7. So I've been fishing this little stick a lot, and there was a bunch on there the other day, none on there today, but all right. This one on go, about 8 inches long. Alright, I just broke off like 2 or 3 times, so I'm about to pack up and go somewhere else, I think. My back's hurting. Another something. Oh, that's a bass. It's a good largemouth. Nice little fish. I knew something was hitting at it. Nice little largemouth. Alright y'all, so I didn't just annihilate him today, but I did do pretty good. Got quite a few. So I got 5 here. Got a couple slabs, like that one right there. Real big one. But yeah, so Alright, these were my best couple for the day. This one's pretty bad. So, alright, well, hope you all liked the video. And it wasn't just a killer day, but we did run into quite a few of them. And this weather wasn't the greatest. So.